Assalamualaikum dear students and viewers. Today we are going to explore a recreational point, that is Rawalakot. Here we are talking from Pakistan. If we talk about Rawalakot, it lies in the Poonch district of Azad Kashmir at an elevation of about 1600 meter, or if we talk about its height in feet, that is 5374 feet in Azad Kashmir. It is also known as the Pearl Valley due to its beautiful scenic nature. It is not only a recreational point, but it can exhibit the cultural, its mountains, hills wrapped in Azad Kashmir. Nazara Point is the most important and famous point that is described and exhibited by the government for recreational point of view to improve the culture and situation of the people living here in this region. It is present in the Pir Panjal Valley basically. If we talk about its distribution, biological distribution, its insect, the which flora is present, fauna and other organisms. If we talk about its practical importance, it is very important, and on a broad level it can help to raise the awareness of regions, natural environment, tourism, economy and infrastructure, roads and guest houses. Here you can see in a view. The dominant vegetation present here is Polia, some species of Rosa like Rosa indica, Elianthus, and Euphorbia heliscopia, and many other plants are present. We talk about its ethnobotanical importance or the medicinal plants. About 58 plants from 37 families have been reported here in some researches, and point is ecological rich zone, so it is contributing a role to balance the natural ecosystem, serving as a buffer from the environmental degradation. So insects also present here. They can be estimated that there are about 53 insect species from 42 families have been recorded here. Birds present here are Himalayan monarchs, pheasants, hawks, various types of eagles and woodpeckers. Birds moving from down Rawalakot to the Pearl of Valley from the Nazara point, we came to the point that this is not a point for recreational importance, but also it is surrounded by hills, by forest, green forest, by pines. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to Science Hub.